Hi there, Yes 7. This is your do now set of questions number 3. So, as always, you've got 5 minutes to do them. They're based on stuff we did much earlier in the year. So, let's see what you can remember. Have a go at everything. I want an answer for every question, please. And then when you're done, we shall see if you're correct. Okay, that's the important thing. Look at the the answers when I go through them. You've got 5 minutes starting now. That's your time up. Blue swimmers out of the pool, please. Right, we got simplify these expressions. A plus A plus A means 3 lots of A. So let's get rid of that clock. So that should be 3A. B times B times B, though, that's not going to be 3B. That's 3 B's times together. And our shorthand for that is putting B to the power of 3, or B cubed, we'd usually say. Now, simplifying these ones, we've got 2x plus 4x minus x. Now, it doesn't mean all my x's disappear. It just means that one of them goes. So I've got 2 plus 4 is 6x, and then take 1 away, which leaves 5x. Now this one I've got 2 different sets of letters, so I'm going to deal them one at a time. I'm going to box the first one. There's 5y. That's an ordinary positive 5y. Now this is the other y's that I'm going to box. Now you keep the sign in front because it tells you what to do. I've got 5y, take away 2y, leaves 3y. I'm going to change colour for the next one, red. Now the next one I've got is 4x, and again that's positive 4x because it says so. Sign in front tells you what it is. So it's just an ordinary 4. And then I've got this 3 here, and I'm going to keep the sign in front. It tells you what to do. So 4 plus 3 equals, let's go back to my blue for the final answer. 4 plus 3 equals 7, and it's just a positive 7, so plus 7x. 3y plus 7x. Or you might have written it the other way round, which is also fine. 7x plus 3y, because they are both positive. Okay, expand these brackets. The number at the front, or the thing in front of the bracket, is really times by everything in the bracket. There's a little hidden times sign just tucked down there. So we times everything by the 4. Now 4 times x we write as 4x. And then 4 times negative 3. Well, 4 times 3 is 12. But it's 4 lots of negative 3, so it's negative 12. 4x, take away 12. Do the same thing with this one. 2y is times by everything in the bracket. But do them, one bit at a time. 2y times 3y. Do the numbers, then do the letters. So 2 times 3 is 6. And then y times y, we write as y squared. Y times itself. Y with a little 2, floating 2, yeah? Then we do 2y times the other thing, times the 5. Now 2 times 5 is 10. That's an ordinary positive 10, but it was 2y really, so it's 5 lots of 2y, which is 10y. Expand and simplify. 2 things to do here. We expand both brackets first, so we get 4 times a to get 4a, and then 4 times 3 to get 12. Then I'm going to do the second bracket. 5 times a is 5a, and that's an ordinary 5a, ordinary positive 5a. And then 5 times minus 1 will be minus 5, or negative 5, so put that there. That's the expand bit. Now you need to simplify, so we gather our a's together. 4a plus 5a makes 9a, and then 12, take away the 5, is 8. No, it's not 8. 7. Silly me. 9a plus 7, okay? Because 12, take away 5. It's not minus 7, because 12 is bigger, isn't it? 12, and then take away the 5 leaves 7, so positive 7. Describe what we mean by an integer. We can do this in 3 words. A whole number. So, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, etc. Or even minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 20, minus 100. If it's a whole number, whether it's positive or negative, it is an integer, not an integer or integer. An integer, we say that as. Okay? Right, off you go to the main part of your lesson. Farewell.